To sign PDF documents electronically, we have to complete the following 3 steps. First thing, open up your Google, type in Adobe Download. The first link that we will get, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, is the correct one. We can just click on that. It is a free download. All you need to do is you can uncheck Chrome extension, optional offers, and simply download Acrobat Reader. Once you've completed your download, we need to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default app for viewing and editing PDF documents. Click on the search bar, type in default apps. Once that opens, we're going to scroll down, choose default apps by file type. Once this page opens, you're going to use the tab on the right and scroll down to PDF. So there's PDF, and we are going to select Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default app of choice. Once you've done that, you can close this menu. Just a quick recap, we've downloaded Adobe Acrobat Reader and we've set it as the default app for viewing and editing PDF documents. The next step is our signature. So what I did is I took my smartphone and took a photo of my signature and I emailed it to myself. This is the photo that I took and I emailed. What I'm going to do now, because I don't need this entire picture, is use the snipping tool and just select the area that I need. Once I've done that, I'm going to save this in a folder where I can find it at a later stage. I'm going to call mine photo of signature snipping tool. So I know that this is the one that this is my original photo and this is the one that I've cropped out. I'm going to save that. Now the final stage is we have to open our PDF document. This is one that I prepared for us. And here is a section where we can sign our signature and we can also add the date. So the way we do is on the right, we're going to scroll down to fill in and sign. Right here. I'm going to click on fill and sign again. And now we are able to edit this document. So I'm going to add today's date. And I can increase the size of the text as I need it. And now I'm going to import my signature. So I will remove these two and I'll show you how to do it. So by clicking add signature, I'm going to click on select image. I will take my full signature that I saved previously. I will apply that in the signature column, and then I'll also add my initials by clicking on image, selecting the photo that I cropped earlier and opening that up. It will give you a real-time view of how your signature will appear. Once that's been done, they will be permanently saved, so you'll be able to sign any other documents. You won't have to repeat this importing step. So I'm going to select my signature and I'm going to drag it to where I need it. Note that it says when you save a form with a signature or initials, you will no longer be able to edit it. So make sure you've completed all the sections of the document before you add your signature, because once you save it, you will not be able to change anything else on the document. And that is how you sign a PDF document with an imported signature. The last step is simply to save the document where you can find it. And I will rename this one signature support signed, so I know that this is the version that I have signed. That is the end of the tutorial. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section.